Is your remote team feeling disconnected? Like you're all operating on different planets, struggling with choppy calls, dropped video, and a never-ending string of missed messages? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The shift to remote work, while offering incredible flexibility, has also highlighted the critical need for robust, reliable, and truly integrated communication tools. And that brings us to a question many of you have been asking. Is RingCentral good for remote work? For years, RingCentral has been a major player in the unified communication space, but with the explosive growth of remote and hybrid models, its relevance has never been more scrutinized. Today, we're diving deep into RingCentral's capabilities, dissecting its features, and ultimately, helping you decide if it's the right fit to empower your distributed workforce. Let's face it, remote work isn't just about having a phone and an internet connection. It's about seamless collaboration, crystal clear communication, and ensuring your team can operate as efficiently from their home office as they would in a traditional one. That's where a truly unified platform becomes invaluable. RingCentral aims to be that platform, bringing together voice, video, messaging, and even contact center functionalities into a single, intuitive interface. So, what exactly does RingCentral bring to the remote work table? First and foremost, its core offering revolves around a cloud-based PBX, private branch exchange, system. This means your entire phone system lives in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. No clunky hardware, no maintenance headaches. For remote teams, this is a game changer. Employees can make and receive calls using their business number on their laptop, smartphone, or a desk phone, ensuring a consistent professional presence regardless of their physical location. Features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and auto attendance further enhance this flexibility, ensuring no calls are missed and customers always reach the right person. But voice is just one piece of the puzzle. Video conferencing has become the cornerstone of remote collaboration, and RingCentral offers a surprisingly robust solution here. Their video meetings are integrated directly into the platform, allowing for easy scheduling, screen sharing, and even breakout rooms for more focused discussions. The quality is generally excellent, even with multiple participants, and features like virtual backgrounds and meeting recordings add to the professional feel. The ease of transitioning from a chat to a call to a video meeting, all within the same application, significantly reduces friction and improves workflow for remote teams. Then there's messaging. In a remote environment, instant messaging often becomes the primary mode of quick communication. RingCentral's team messaging capabilities are more than just basic chat. They allow for persistent chat channels, file sharing, and task management, helping teams stay organized and collaborative. You can create channels for specific projects, departments, or even social interactions, fostering a sense of community even when everyone is working from different locations. The ability to quickly share documents, images, and links within these chats streamlines workflows and reduces the need to jump between multiple applications. One of RingCentral's often overlooked strengths for remote work is its comprehensive integrations. Think about your existing tech stack, CRM systems, project management tools, even email platforms. RingCentral understands that it doesn't operate in a vacuum. It offers deep integrations with popular business applications like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and many more. This means your team can initiate calls, access contact information, and even log interactions directly from the applications they already use daily. This level of integration dramatically reduces context switching, saves time, and ultimately boosts productivity for remote employees. Imagine a sales rep clicking to call a lead directly from their CRM, with the call automatically logged. That's the power of these integrations. Now, let's talk about reliability and security, two non-negotiables for any remote work solution. RingCentral boasts a strong track record here, with multiple redundant data centers and a focus on enterprise-grade security protocols. For businesses handling sensitive information or relying heavily on uninterrupted communication, this peace of mind is invaluable. Downtime can be catastrophic for a remote team, leading to missed opportunities and frustrated clients. RingCentral's commitment to uptime and data protection helps mitigate these risks. However, no platform is perfect, and it's important to consider potential downsides. For some smaller businesses or those with very basic communication needs, RingCentral's comprehensive feature set might feel like overkill, and the pricing, while competitive for its feature depth, could be a bit higher than more bare-bones options. The learning curve, while not steep, might require some initial training for teams unfamiliar with unified communications platforms. And like any cloud service, your experience will, to some extent, be dependent on a stable internet connection. While this is less of an issue for most remote workers today, it's still a factor to consider. So, is RingCentral good for remote work? The answer, for many businesses, is a resounding yes. Its strength lies in its ability to consolidate multiple communication channels into a single user-friendly platform. For remote teams, this translates to increased efficiency, improved collaboration, and a more professional external presence. The integrated voice, video, messaging, and robust integrations create a holistic communication ecosystem that empowers employees to work effectively from anywhere. It simplifies IT management, scales easily with your business's growth, and offers the reliability and security crucial for today's distributed workforce. If you're struggling with disparate communication tools, longing for a more unified and efficient way to connect your remote team, then RingCentral is definitely worth a serious look. It's a powerful tool designed to bridge the distance and keep your remote workforce seamlessly connected and productive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.